Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 240 Solstice Harris brand pontoon. As you can see, it's a gorgeous blue color with a sandy pearl accent. This layout is considered to be the SL layout, which allows you to have seating here in the rear, as well as flipping the seat back and being allowed to sit in the back while underway. It has a chain fence around the back, a 4-step telescoping ladder, and is powered by a 200 Pro Mercury engine. There's an absolutely amazing amount of storage in this boat. It's powered by a Polk Diamond stereo. Has 6 speakers and a subwoofer. As you can see here, this is all pillow top, which is an absolutely gorgeous pillow top, very comfortable to the feel. The front loungers are large and again very comfortable. The armrests have cup holders in them, so easy and convenient for drinks. Under all the seats is storage, and under the back compartment here is a dressing room.